Hello gents. Well, where have I been, Where have I been? Well, I'll tell you where I've been. Sore at home or sore at work, one of the two. Not been around much on videos because I've got a problem with my arm and shoulder that's preventing me doing stuff like this. It is utter murder. I'm Nurofin's best friend at the minute, but this is one of the two MPU3 boards I was working on. I managed to find a half decent chip to put in here. You can see if this focuses. Yeah, it's going to focus. There we go. I had to rejoin one of the legs. Somebody sent me some pulled ICs from a dead board to save me a bit of time because I didn't fancy leaning over and soldering stuff and everything. So sent me 5 or 6 of these 6821s, but they've all got missing legs, but it's alright, I can reattach a leg and that's a decent socket. And I put this together today to prove that this card, the label's missing off, naughty but nice, works. Now please do not ask me how the hell I got it to start without reels. Now you can see the display needs a little bit of repair. There's a couple of segments there, but when you press down, these segments tend to light back up, see? So I'd imagine it'll just be a case of pressing these elements down and they'll come back up. It just needs basically overhauled, but it's mostly working. There'll be some bad joints and everything like that, but this is Darren MJ's alpha display and his naughty but nice program card. Yeah, to get it working without the reels is a bit of a mission. You have to, you see D36 to D40 there, you have to wait a certain length of time and then tap each one at the 5 volts and quickly let them go. And you have to do it in exactly the right order, or you will get real alarms. You can't just short them out with 5 volt or short them out at ground, or you get relay spin alarm if thinks the reels are jammed. You can't just short them out, leave them all open, or you get relay spin alarm or setup alarm. It thinks the reels haven't got power. Very carefully and quickly tap 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and then at the exact right time you've got to go back on A and ground it. It took me about 50 attempts to get it going, and you've got to defeat the 50 Hz mains failure as well. That's just this crocodile lead going from here around to C, top leg of C39. But that's all running. So this board is actually going, I believe this is one I swapped out with someone and I gave them another board in place of it. Because yeah, memory's jogging me that this is the one where this I hear is soldered on top. But it all appears to be working properly. There's some lamp transistors that are going to need replaced. Yeah, that's just reminded me all these lamp transistors are shorted. Someone, I can't remember who it was, but someone actually put shorted lamp transistors in to annoy someone or test someone, one of the two. But yeah, wasn't me, I might add. Wasn't me, someone did, and a lot of these ICs were dead as well. But we've got two original 5818, I think it's 5818 RAM in there. I think they should be 5014s in it, but this one's marked, what's this got on it? 58981 or something. Can I focus in on that? Yeah, 58981. But they're actually just 5114s. It's got quite a mix and match ICs on it. It's got a couple of 682 ones. And that one looks like a... Not sure what one that one is. It's not got a... Is that Motorola logo? Maybe. Yeah. Modern Motorola logo. Got a couple like that, yeah. We've got a couple of ST make. I believe there's a... I don't know, there's a right mix and match in here. But it's running, which is the main thing. So this will get passed off to its owner. I won't run this very long because I'm only running one power supply line through it. This will get passed off to its owner, who can continue working on it. It's running cold. Ooh, nice warm smell coming off that display. Maybe needs capacitor change that. Now everything's going. Yep, so that proves that this program card and that alpha display are for the most part working, which means we can now get on with the continuation of working on that one. I'm not sure if I'll be doing it today. I can only do a little bit of a time these days. I'll give it a go maybe. I mean, it's easy enough to set them up. Yeah, bye for now. Yeah, I'll let this alpha display play through for a little bit. It's nice and bright as well. Certainly hasn't outgassed. Anyways, that's all folks for the minute.